Now, US Vice President J.D. Vance will meet Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the 21st of April, the first day of his 4-day India visit. This marks Vance's first official trip to India since taking office. High on the agenda is, of course, the bilateral trade deal, as both countries aim to conclude negotiations by fall. The United States is India's largest trading partner, with trade touching $190 billion. Prime Minister Modi and President Trump have set a target to more than double this to $500 billion. India has already cut tariffs on several goods and is considering broader reforms to avoid steep US levies. Vance's visit comes amid heightened global trade tensions. Donald Trump is currently locked in a tariffs to and fro with China, with levies now at 245%. India was also hit with 27% US tariffs on April 2nd before a 90-day pause was announced. Washington is now in talks with over 70 countries to pressure them into limiting Chinese transshipment through their territories. Now, according to reports, the United States is urging allies to prevent Chinese firms from routing goods to evade American duties, signaling a broader push to isolate China economically. Now, India is one of the two countries on Vance's itinerary, with Italy also on the list. The visit follows trips by other US officials, including Director of National Intelligence Tulsi Gabbard. Meanwhile, allies like South Korea, Japan and Thailand are also engaged in tariff negotiations. South Korea is negotiating to delay Trump's 25% tariffs, while Thailand is addressing its $40 billion trade surplus with the US by boosting American imports. Particularly in agriculture and energy, Thailand has signed a long-term US LNG and ethane deal worth over $600 million. And these efforts reflect a growing trend. Countries are recalibrating trade ties with Washington amid global realignments.